Hello everyone. This is our presentation for demo for VCC major project, which is complex event management of virtualization techniques with complex event processing. So, coming to the demo, we have a basic architecture of we running two containers at first, PyScript 1 and 2, where one would have a high network usage and one would have a high memory usage. uh, and then we will build this from the images, and then we'll send them to the producer script, which takes the statistics of these two containers and then send them to Kafka topics, send them as produce them as Kafka topics, and which is consumed by the Apache Flink to analyze for analytics whether to upscale or downscale based on the network, memory, and CPU usages. So to show, I'm currently implementing it right now. I have started. Let me show this. I have started the. Just a second, if I can go correctly here. So I'm going to start the Zookeeper services. Just a second. Here I started a Zookeeper services. And for Kafka, here I assume this is the Kafka. Yes, here I've started the Kafka as well. And then I have two directories basically, which are the two images, the containers basically that I'll create from this, the collector1.py and the collector2.py. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll create the image out of this. I created the image. Now I will, let me see where I am. Did I build the, so I'll build the sensor 2 out now. Okay, sensor 2 is also built and sensor 1 is also built. So what I'll do is I'll create the containers out of these images. Okay, let me just fast forward it. Okay, so continuing, docker build -d -name sensor1 out of sensor image. I hope this works. Okay, I did something wrong, I guess. Just a sec. Alright, so the command was wrong. So I corrected that, and I'll build the second container as well. Docker sensor 2. So now if I do docker ps, it shows me that both the containers are running. And now if I check the stats of sensor 1. So this is the one where I am network usage 77.2 and memory usage is kind of less. So this one should be the one where I am using the network usage more. Now going towards sensor 2. As you can see, the memory usage is here. So second one is the has higher memory usage. So I'll be sending these statistics to the producer script, and it will send them to the relevant Kafka topics that I created. So I created two topics basically. If I can show you that as well. Yeah, I created two topics, Docker stats 2 and Docker stats. All right. Now going towards running the producer script, which is right here. So this is sorry, just a second. Poster.py is the producer script. So if I run that poster.py with the arguments, firstly the container name, sorry, sensor1, and then the relevant topic. Oh, I have to install. I am installed that. Since I was running this on Ubuntu, now I have shifted here. So let me just install this quickly. Alright, as you can see, this is sending the statistics. So I have kept this limited for now, assuming that it will run for the period. I am sending the stats 1 minute, so I am sending this every second, these statistics, and I'll start the services for both of them, and then I'll start consuming them as well. So let me start the consumer of this topic, Docker stats as well. Alright, so I have started consuming both of the stats. So here is the Docker stats 1 and the Docker stats 2. I have not started the producer script for Docker stats 2. I'll start that now. So as you can see, Docker stats 1 is already sending all of these informations. The Docker ID, the sensor, the percentage usages. This must be a CPU. This is the network, and this is the memory. All right. So now if I go ahead and run the script for sorry, where is it? Run the script for Docker 1 as well. Here, yeah. Sorry, sensor 2 as well, Docker 2, and send that to the relevant Docker stacks too. So I must see it consuming. So as you can see, I can consume the data. So I'll send this data to Apache Flink. I'll start the job cluster of Apache Flink, and I have a Flink script.py to show that, just in case. I'm in CD bin Windows right now. So I'll go cd d dot cd oh, okay. So I have started code.here for project 2, and this is the FlinkScript.py, which takes the bootstrap server of group ID group122, and according to local ID, I'll connect the jar file, and I'll start the stream, and it will show that in the Flink dashboard, and run the and we can do more analytics. We didn't do the analytics, we just ran the Flink script and checked the sources and consume all these analytics. We can go ahead and run that for calf. We can go more, do some forecasting, and we can print upscaling, downscaling, but for later we can do ML and DL operations on that data as well. We are sending the data for now on Apache Flink and start by after starting a job server. But yeah, so this is our demo for our project for the complex event processing. Apache Flink acts as the event processor here, and Kafka is the sending data, consuming and sending the data from the Docker statistics. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you.